Hello everyone. So today I am going to tell you how you can quickly create a presentation. And nowadays, whether it is a student, whether it is an employee, if you are a teacher, if you are working somewhere, and you have to present your ideas. So presentation making is a very tedious task, and you don't have to worry about that tedious task when we are in the world of Chat GPT and LLMs. So now today I will show you how you can quickly create a presentation on any particular topic quickly in some minutes by using this Chat GPT and simple Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software. So on whatever topic you want to create a presentation, you have to open the Chat GPT and you have to type here please create a presentation on. So suppose you want to create a presentation on uh, different categories of pollution on Earth or on the planet. So create a presentation of 10 slides. Let us tell that we want 10 slides on different categories of pollution on planet Earth. So let us give this prompt, and as soon as I have given a prompt to this Chat GPT, so it is giving me an outline for a presentation. You can see here it is giving me an outline for the types of pollution. So on any topic you can write this type of statement, and you can type it on Chat GPT and you can enter it, and you will get a presentation of 10 slides, because I have asked ChatGPT to give me 10 slides presentation. So you can see here it has given me the outline of the presentation. So in the slide 1 it has given me introduction to pollution, where it has given me the definition of pollution and brief overview of its impact on the ecosystem. Then it has given me about the types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, thermal pollution, radioactive pollution, plastic pollution, and conclusion also it has given me in the last slide. Now suppose in any of the slide you think that the content given to you, it has given me an outline, you think the content given to you is not proper. Suppose I want more of content of thermal pollution, so I can write it here like elaborate on slide 7. So it will give me more content on slide 7, that is thermal pollution. So I have given a statement elaborate on slide 7. So see, it is giving me more information about this particular slide, like what is a thermal pollution and what are the causes of thermal pollution. So these are some of the causes of thermal pollution, like industrial discharges, urban runoff, deforestation, what is the effects of this thermal pollution, what is the mitigation strategies. So like this I can give for any slide number. If suppose you want to change some content of the slide, or if you want to add some more type of pollution in the slide, you can ask the Chat GPT to give you the content, and you can give more information like explain with example in conclusion side 10. So I have given it a command that in conclusion, and it has given me a new conclusion slide. So if I found that the content was not appropriate in the conclusion slide, so I have given it a new prompt that you have to give an example with the conclusion slide. So see, it has given me example of reducing air pollution through sustainable transportation. So you can keep this data for you for presentation. You can call this type of data for every slide, but we have to mainly focus on this outline slide. So once you have written a prompt for your on your Chat GPT, it will give you a proper outline of the presentation that you want to design. Now you have to do what? You have to copy this slides from 1 to 10, this outline only. You have to copy this outline only, and you have to open a Word document. So this is a blank document, Word document. I have opened it, and I will copy paste it like this only, and I will match the destination formatting. So I have to paste it like this in the Word document. In a new Word document, I will paste it like this. Now I will remove all these slide numbering. Only I will keep the headings of the titles of the outline that has been given to me for my presentation preparation. So like this, I will remove all the extra information that I don't want to have in my presentation. So like this, I have to remove all the slide numbers one by one. I'm removing every slide number. You can also select multiple of them using the control key, and you can delete it. And like this, I have deleted all the slide numbers here. And then after deleting it, I will save this file. Now after using this, after saving this particular file, I will do what? I will now uh, go to the view tab. Okay, I will go to the view tab here in the from the tab section. I will go to the view tab, and I will click on this outline view. Okay, so I will click on this outline view, and you can see here my content has now been converted to the outline view. Now I have to do what? I have to create a level of the presentation out. I have to create the outline of the presentation. So I will select this headings only, and I will from here I will make it as level 1. So every heading I have to select, and I have to give this heading as level 1. So for every heading I will do the same operation, and I will create it as level 1 heading. So you can see here it is changing from here. So this is the first level of I'm creating for my slides. For every slide, it will have a heading of uh, these types of outline that has been created for me by the ChatGPT. So in some minutes, I will be creating my own presentation, and after doing the level 1 settings for all the headings I have in my Word document, I will select the rest of the content, and I will add it as level 2. So you can see here now, if some particular of your document has more of the hierarchy there, so you can add level 3 also for that particular content, and it will like this. I have to add level 2 for the content which is inside this. Like suppose in the effects I have a different numbering in the effects. So like health risk and food chain contamination. Suppose these are different levels. So first I will take this as level 2, and then I will select this as level 3. So you can see here this I have added more of hierarchy to this particular slide. So I have to repeat this step for every content in the slides, and in some minutes I am going to convert this into a particular presentation. So you can see here I am selecting multiple of this by using the control key. So you can press the control key and you can select multiple of this, and you can apply the same operation to multiple things by keep pressing the control key. So now I have done this particular, I have converted it into an outline view, and now I will close this outline view and you will save it. So I've already saved it. You can save here also. For the first time you have to save as, and then after that you can save it directly. Now after that you have to close this, and then you have to go to the presentation file, and you have to create a blank presentation, or you can select a theme of presentation if you want to have a presentation. So let me select this theme of presentation in which I have to create my presentation. And now I have to go to this new slide. I have to click here, and then I have to click on slides from outline. Introduction to pollution was the name given by, and I have to click on insert. So you will see here that the outlines will be introduced here. Okay, and you can see here every particular your slide has been put here in the form of outlines here, and all the content that was there, it will come here, and your presentation is prepared. Everything, every, you can also change the, if this particular is not matching your content, this design is not matching your content, you can select any designs that are available here. You can also add the design, online design also. So you can see here uh, a particular presentation is created by me, and now you can add or you can change the conditions, you can change the background color, you can change the color of your slides, and in some minutes you can see that using ChatGPT and simple PowerPoint tool, your presentation is created, and you can just add some more things or pictures if you want to add, and yes, your presentation is done. So I hope you have understood how you can create a presentation quickly if you want to create a presentation using ChatGPT and PowerPoint tool only.